Hi everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. I am here on behalf of the Convozen team. We are a subsidiary from nobroker.com, and what we built here is a unified conversational agent platform. Why do I say unified? We'll get to that in a minute. Uh, I'll start off with how Convozen was born. We basically had around 3 lakh hours of data, call data in nobroker.com. We had around 3.6 million messages that came in on a monthly basis in NoBroker. And we realized that we could only audit 2% of these, and we were missing like insights from 98% of the data that we have. And that is how Convozen was born. We understood that you need multilingual, omni-channel capabilities. You want to audit 100% of your data sets, and you also want to figure out actionables and insights from that. And basically, where we basically sit inside your telephony systems. We basically can plug in with your CRM tools. We can also chat. We have email agents. We have like social media agents, and we basically sit on your social channels as well. And we have three major pillars that basically help you with automation across all your call center initiatives. One is the heavy lifting agents, which is conversational AI agents. The second one is a co-pilot agent, which is basically assisting what your human agents do in real time. And the third one is supervisor agents, which is essentially the analytics layer on top of what is happening inside your calls or inside your emails or messages as well. We'll quickly move to a demo where we'll showcase the entire stack that we have, and it'll be a very self-explanatory demo, but I'll keep walking you through the same.
Hello, thank you for calling Google Motors. This is Reni. How may I?
Sound.
Hello, thank you for calling Google Motors. This is Reni. How may I assist you with your vehicle today?
Ma'am, my car broke down. Can you please help me?
I'm sorry to hear that your car broke down. I'm here to help you. Could you please provide me with your phone number so I can access your details?
Yeah, it's 9954249674.
Just to confirm, I got 9954249674. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Let me fetch your information. Just a moment.
Okay, sure.
Ishan, I can see your car model is Toyota Urban Cruiser. Can you help me with your location?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking actually.
Am I audible now?
No, not really.
You can call me on WhatsApp on the same number.
Okay.
Hey, is my voice clear now? I wanted to make sure we can hear each
It's
other
much
before
better.
proceeding.
Yeah. So you could see that we basically retained context across channels. We ended the call saying that the audio isn't clear. It suggested that you switch to a WhatsApp channel, and when the WhatsApp channel, it picks up from where we left in the voice channel. And similarly, I mean, so the same thing sets across all your channels. If you have an email, you have a social media ticket raised across, and you call the inbound support, we basically have all the context regarding the user, and it is a single identity, and it's an omni-channel, multi-session agent that we basically have built for you guys. And we'll move on with the same demo, the next part of this, which is the multimodality.
Great. Can you help me with your location?
मैम मैं सरजापुर मेन रोड पे हूँ.
सरजापुरा मेन रोड पर क्या समस्या आ रही है?
The car is not starting actually. I've tried multiple times.
Okay. Can you share a picture of the car dashboard so that I can understand the issue better?
Yeah, I've uploaded the photo.
Okay, I've received the photo. Looking at the indicators, it seems like a battery issue. Based on your live location, a towing service to the closest service center in Indiranagar would cost around 5,500 rupees.
Yeah. So basically, what we just saw was you uploaded an image in a WhatsApp chat, and it's the same number that we were calling on, and it quickly understood what the image was about and went ahead with the resolution part. These modalities can be any of the mentioned ones. It can be a voice note, it can be images, it can be voice notes, and it can also be payment links and all of that. And we've basically automated the entire thing. The moment you do a payment, it'll get back, it'll get the, basically the webhook will click and you basically get back that, okay, your payment has been confirmed and the next steps continue. Just let's move ahead in the same thing. Is it covered under my insurance?
I'm not sure regarding that. Let me check with my supervisor regarding roadside assistance coverage. Please hold on for a second.
Okay.
1 minute. So I've checked with my supervisor. Unfortunately, roadside assistance is not covered under your current plan.
So this is actually what we believe. We think this future is agentic, it's hyper personalized, but it's also a collaboration between humans and AI. An AI will actually be your colleague, a co-worker will have its own Slack channel, will have its own email, and it can raise tickets, it can keep improving based on the feedback that it's getting from the human agents. Here we saw that we basically raised on Slack, and the moment we typed that, okay, it's not covered, the bot understood that, okay, it's not covered, and it immediately told that, okay, your plan doesn't cover that. Right? This the last part of this demo.
மேம் நான் காலையிலேருந்து ரோட்டில் நின்றுட்டு இருக்கேன் இந்த வெயிலில். நீங்கள் வந்து போன வாரம் நான் வந்து ரெனியூ பண்ணும்போது மட்டும் கூட என்ன சொன்னீங்க, எல்லாமே கவர்டுன்னு சொன்னீங்க. இப்போ என்னன்னா கவர்டு இல்லைன்றீங்க.
மன்னிக்கவும், உங்கள் திட்டத்தில் ரோட் சைடு அசிஸ்டன்ஸ் கவர் செய்யப்படவில்லை. உங்களுக்கு வேறு ஏதேனும் விருப்பங்கள் பற்றி அறிய வேண்டுமானால் மனித முகவரை தொடர்பு கொள்ள விரும்புகிறீர்களா?
கனெக்ட் பண்ணு.
Yeah, so it understood the emotion that the user is frustrated and immediately transfers it, that okay, I'll transfer it, and the multilinguality switch, real-time switch, the user in the language that the user talks. This next part is actually where I told about the Copilot agents, which is assisting your human agents when they are on a call. And the moment this call is transferred, the human agent gets the summary, and this is how it proceeds.
Hello, are you there?
Hello. Hello, I'm Ankit from Gokul Motors Insurance Support. I see you're facing a vehicle breakdown and I apologize for the inconvenience this has caused.
Yeah, I'm standing in the middle of the road. I have meetings to attend and there's no roadside assistance coverage.
I completely understand, Ishan, and I assure you we'll get this resolved quickly so you can make your important meeting. Please hold for just a moment.
Okay, please be follow.
Ishan, I have located Gokul Motors in Indiranagar. They have a recovery vehicle ready and I already briefed them about your situation. They will reach you in 15 minutes.
Okay, but your AI was telling there's some cost attached. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah. In lieu of time, basically the real-time agent assist gets you information from documents and also covers the entire range that, okay, what is the human emotion looking like? Is the agent speaking fast? Are there any compliance issues that have happened in the call? And basically it helps them keep on track always, and there's a checklist that gets populated, and we'll just look at that as well. This is after the call. After the call, you can analyze your call. There's a summary section. There's a Zen section. What happened in your call? What all points in your SOP were actually covered, and what are the further outcomes? How do you train your basically agents? How you train your human agents? Then what is missing in your SOP as possible? And there are auto learning agents as well, which basically take feedback from 5% of the calls in production and keep on improving the agents further and further. We've basically recently launched our proprietary models as well. We are a research plus application company. We've released our own STT and TTS models where we've actually gotten numbers that are comparable to the human benchmarks. There are
May I help you?
So this was a very noisy. The basically telephony speech is about noisy 8 kilohertz video audios, and that is something that is not showcased in usual demos. But the telephony requires a lot of cleaning, a lot of understanding on noise and all of that, and that is something that our model takes care. And I think I'll just end with we have our own TTS models as well. You can check out on our booth. We are partnered with almost 60 clients now, and one of a few of India's biggest clients as well. And we are enterprise security compliant, and that's it from our side. Thank you so much.